students to Jagat Guru Nanak Dev Punjab State Open University. My name is Dr. Pooja Agarwal, School of Business Management and Commerce. So today I am going to share the next topic with you that relates to financial management lecture second. So I am just going to share the PPT with you. So today I am going to discuss about two main important topics, that is objectives of financial management, and second one, difference between profit maximization and share wealth maximization. This is very important topic as for your final exam point of view. So if we are talking about the objectives of the financial management, we can say the main goal is to use business funds in a way that makes the business as valuable and profitable as possible. So every organization has main focused on earning more profits and also enhancing the shareholders' wealth. This is the main two important goals of any organizations, and we can consider these are the two important objectives of the financial management. So first objective is profit maximization. Why we are considering this is very important, because we know without profits no business can run. So for running the business smoothly, we need the profits. So profit is a primary goal of any firm. Profit is essential to the survival of every business. Without profit, no one business can run. So survival of the business is totally dependent on a profit. So we know if the profit is increasing every year, then we can say the financial position of the company will increasing day by day. On the other hand, if the company faces the problem of losses, then we can say the financial position is deteriorating day by day. So every organization has effort for improving the profits of the company. Earning profit is essential for company survival as economic organizations. इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ के लिए भी अगर हम बोले तो हमें प्रॉफिट्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजेशन के मेन फीचर्स क्या होते हैं? प्रॉफिट जो डिपेंड करता है, प्रॉफिट इज डिपेंडेंट ऑन एफिशिएंसी ऑफ द बिजनेस. बिजनेस की एफिशिएंसी को प्रॉफिट्स के थ्रू मेजर किया जा सकता है. The ultimate goal of a company is concerned to make a profit. As a result, it examines all the potential avenue of increasing profitability of the enterprises. Profit maximization is also termed as to maximize the profit per share. It also maximizes corporate operation for our profits. So we can say the main feature is first one is if we are talking about the first feature, तो we can say efficiency जो होती है वो किसके थ्रू मेजर होती है? प्रॉफिट्स के थ्रू. और कंपनी का मेन कंसर्न क्या होता है? प्रॉफिट्स को इंक्रीज करना. थर्ड गोल क्या होता है उसका? प्रॉफिट पर शेयर आल्सो इंक्रीजिंग. मैक्सिमाइज कॉर्पोरेट ऑपरेशन फॉर अ प्रॉफिट. सो दीज आर द थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट पैरामीटर्स फॉर profit maximization. What are the favorable arguments for profit maximization? If we are talking about the favorable arguments of the profit maximization, then we can say that business does not remain constant throughout the time. Sometimes we have to face a problem of recession, depression, intense competition. Other bad business conditions are also possible. So we have to retain some profit retain the profit for a future contingency. तो इस केस में हमें क्या करना है? एज अ रिजल्ट, क्योंकि हमें प्रॉफिट का कुछ पार्ट साइड में रखना है, अपनी जो हमारी कंडीशंस हैं, जो अनफेवरेबल कंडीशंस हैं, उनको मीट आउट करने के लिए. सो व्हेन द सर्कमस्टांसेस इज फेवरेबल, कॉर्पोरेशन शुड स्ट्राइव टू अर्न more in a more order to maximize cash per share. It leads to optimization of business operation in order to maximize profit. Profit reduce the risk in a business. Profit main source of finance. Profitability enhance the social responsibility activity as well. Now unfavorable arguments क्या हैं? Unfavorable arguments क्या? As a result of profit maximization, customer, supplier, public shareholders suffer. They treated with the disparities. Sometimes we deal the person differently. Profit maximization sometimes leads unethical practice. unfair trading practice is also responsible for a profit maximization concept. Companies exploit the employees and consumer to achieve the objective of profit maximization. So when we are talking about the criticism of profit maximization, we can consider all aspects. First aspect will be considered as the point of customers and supplier, and second point of view is unethical practice, and third one is a exploiting employees and consumer, how कि employees को more focus किया जाता है, ओवर टाइम्स लगवाए जाते हैं अपनी प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी इंक्रीज करने के लिए. Drawbacks of a profit maximization. If we are talking about drawbacks of a profit maximization, then we can say profit जो है, प्रॉफिट एक हमारी वोग कंसेप्ट है. वोग कंसेप्ट का मतलब इट्स नॉट क्लियर, means sometime profit considered as a profit before tax, sometime profit can be considered as a profit after tax. So there are different calculations for calculate, there is different calculation for measuring the profit of the companies. In some points we consider before, sometime we consider after, so in some time we consider EBITs. So there are different parameters and different definitions of the profits. While the profit maximization target takes into account future cash flows, it neglects to take into account the quantity and trading of timing of the profitability. Profit maximization is not considered as a cash profits. So we are for calculating the profit of the companies, so we are considering the non-monetary items also. So it's not giving the correct picture of a cash flow also. The goal of maximizing profit does not take into account the impact of dividend policy on a stock market pricing. When we are talking about the profit maximization, we are not considering the aspects of dividend policy. Profit maximization does not consider risk of a business concern. This is totally ignore the risk aspect of the company. Now, second very important topic that is related to wealth maximization. Wealth maximization. What is the meaning of wealth maximization? Wealth क्या होती है? जितने हमारे number of shares हैं, अगर आप number of shares को उसके प्राइस से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, तो वो आपकी क्या आ जाती है? वो आपका आता है wealth. तो wealth maximization can be considered. How can you conceive? क्या consider कर सकते हैं हम इसे? Wealth maximization is one of the recent technique. इसमें कंसीडर किया जाता है वैल्यू ऑफ एन एसेट इज मेजर्ड इन टर्म ऑफ बेनिफिट्स derived from its use less cost of acquisition. This approach is correct. In the profit maximization, advantage are measured in terms of cash flow received from its utilization rather than in terms of accounting profits. और next main important क्या है? It takes into account both quantity and quality dimensions. Wealth maximization is considered the both aspect, which is ignored in the profit maximization concept. It is necessary to account for time and risk variable while calculating the value of a future cash flow. So to do so, the cash flow are discharged or reduced by a particular percentage.